6th live episode of What's New Atrangi, and this episode is super special because we announced a sale yesterday and the kind of response we got was amazing, and we're waiting for all of you guys to join in and see what we have on sale today. So these are products which are going on sale from our current existing website collection, and these are primarily sets that we're focusing on today. So these sets are going to be on a flash sale. We have products which are on 50% off, 40% off, 30% off, unbelievable pricing. And I'm going to start with it really quick and try to keep the live as short as possible so you all can see maximum products. Anything you're liking, please feel free to take a screenshot of it and let us know. Our team can help you with more pictures. This was for 12450. It's only for 9350, guys. A super heavy polki bridal set with these stunning Chandbali earrings. If you go on other websites and check, ऐसी Chandbali ही आपको 8000 की मिलेगी. This whole set is for 9350 only. This set we had featured on a live yesterday, on our video yesterday, and everyone kept asking about it. It was for 10450. We're selling this for 5450 only. It's on a flat 50% off. Please take screenshots of anything you're liking. Feel free to ask for more pictures from our team and we'll be happy to help you. And don't forget to grab these because these are single pieces only that we have in stock. We have this set right here. It's a gorgeous polki heavy set, and this one is for 11450 after the sale. It was for 15450 before that, and only for 11450 now. It looks absolutely stunning. The work is very pretty and has great detailing of emeralds. These are bigger sets, so I'm taking a little more time on this so you all can have a clearer view of it. Hi Monica, hi Nina. This is the Bano set, very popular. It's a very popular Jadao set on our website. We've been selling this for a while. It's been a bestseller at a point of time too, and we are selling this for 11250 only. This used to be a 12450. You can see the flash pricing going down. These are unbelievable prices, and for people who have been following us since a while, they know that we never go on sale, and we just thought of doing something super special this time of having a flash cut down on the pricing. This is a super heavy bridal set again, Radha. It comes with very nice earrings. This is only for 13250 in sale, and the actual price, like you can see it's 15450. It's only 13250 for the sale. We have this pretty necklace over here, the blue one. It's a new launch. It's only for 4650 in the sale and 50 in this sale. And it's a stunning Indo-Western set, like you can see. This one comes with these jhumka. Going forward, I have this uncut diamond set with pastels. Beautiful pastels and mint and pink combination. This one, like you can see, is only for 5850. After the sale was 6850, 1000 rupees cut down. And we have this very impressive polki choker only for rupees 5450. It was 6850 below. It comes with these earrings, and this one comes with these earrings. Anything you're liking, please feel free to take screenshots of it. Going ahead, I have this set right here, the polki set. We have it in Navratna and we have it in plain. It comes with really smart studs, which by themselves are very nice. This is 5850 set. The Nuria set, which has been a bestseller on the website, comes with these stunning earrings right here. That set is also on a flash pricing. It is only for 11250. It used to be 13450. It's 11250 now with earring. Going forward, this is a Juhi. Yes, hi, sorry about the network issue. So this one is for 8650. It's on a flash pricing of 6850 now. It comes with this fluorite in the center. It's a stunning Indo-Western set. To be 6850 before, so it's a great markdown at 700 rupees cut there. So in case you are looking for something heavy and elegant, it's a great piece to buy. We have this one over here as well. It's a ruby choker set, comes with these pretty jhumkas and moissanites, and it is again a very wearable piece. It has a very nice pink color with moissanites on top and below. And this one here is again for line polki meenakari set. Looks very elegant and pretty when you with a very big cut down if you see. And the earrings of this earring is set is the best part. And meanwhile, this is the two-line necklace, which used to be 12,450, which has sold very well for us. And this is now only for 10,850 without the tika. And we have these earrings that come with it. Along with that, now we have this very smart dual pastel. Sorry about the network issue, Priya and Prachi. There is a slight network problem today. We've contacted the Wi-Fi guys. We're still struggling with it though. Sorry about it. So this is the Polki Slim Choker set. It comes in dual polish, pink and purple, and very wearable. And we have these earrings that come with it. It's a very simple, sweet earring, and this used to be 6,250, but now it is only for 4,650. It's a very nice set for morning functions. It is for 4,650, Shreya. This is a long pearl necklace with a Victorian pendant in the center. It comes with these earrings. We have a green color in this as well, a red color in this as well, and this one's also very well priced, only for 4,650 in the sale. Going forward, I have this set right here. It's with moissanites. This used to be 6,950. It's for 6,250 now. Comes with these designer style studs. Meanwhile, we have this 3-layer Polki neck. Comes with these big earrings, and this was our bestseller at a point of time. It is for 5,450. It's called Tamara. Please take a screenshot of anything you're liking over here. Moving forward, we have a Faroko choker set. This had performed really well for us last year as well. It comes with these powering jhumkas as well. This is for 4,950 with earrings. Used to be 5,850, and this one's a steal deal. It's a coral pumpkin bead necklace, very delicate and very pretty, and it comes with these earrings right here. And this one is for 1,950, guys. Unbelievably priced. It's a very good gift also to give someone. The Ahmedabadi Kundan work is great in this. Moving forward, I'm gonna quickly change the sets and show you a few more here. This is a Minarika set, Pota emeralds and rubies. Look at the craftsmanship. It is very pretty and very clean, and it comes with these earrings. It's a heavy set, and it's a very pretty one as well. Super wearable. It used to be 9,650. It is only for 7,950 now. The Minarika set. It comes with these earrings. Very heavy, very elegant. If you were to buy this piece, it wouldn't be less than 35 grand. That's the kind of look it gives. Simi, you can contact us on WhatsApp after this, or you can DM us. The live is going on right now. We're not taking orders right now, but whoever sends the screenshot first gets the order. This is a very pretty one as well. This is only for 4,500 after the sale. Comes with these long earrings, very elegant and pretty, and it looks very nice with a slight ruby and emerald detailing on it. Moving forward, we have this heavy choker set. It was a 13,450, has pumpkin beads in the center, pink detailing, only for 9,850. After the sale, it was 13,450. It comes with these chanbalis. The chanbalis are also very elegant and very pretty. The color is beautiful, and definitely something you should get if you have a wedding in the house. It's only for 9,850. Going forward, we have this Ruhaniyat set of ours. Used to be such a popular one in the last wedding season. We've sold so many of this. A very good set for someone looking for something long, and this used to be 13,450. It's only for 10,450 now. It comes with these oversized chanbalis. The chanbalis themselves retail at 4,800, so the set is at 10,400. It's a great deal, and you should definitely get it. Going forward, we have this set right here. This set is a new launch, and we thought we should have some new launches on the website as well. This is for 14,650 without the tika on sale. It retails at 16,450 on our website, and we've got a great response on this, and it's doing very well for us. This is a beautiful set. You should grab it at the sale price, because it won't last at the sale price at all. It'll go back to its normal pricing once the sale is over. We also have this gorgeous heavy gold set. Is very, very intricate, if you can see, and this piece is for 11,450 in sale. It used to be 13,450 and 11,450 with tika now. So it's a great price. Meanwhile, we have this long set also over here. This also used to be for 8650. It's only for 7000 now. With earrings, guys, with earrings. Don't miss it. These are beautiful pieces to have. Meanwhile, going forward, we have this Mitali choker set, one of our best sellers again. A very nice jhalar choker set. It used to be super heavy, super wearable, and used to be one of the best sellers again. It is for 13450 now. It used to be 15450 before. It comes with these earrings over here. The earrings themselves are so wearable. And we have this long set that you can wear with. It's called Rupali. A lot of our clients have this set. It has been our bestseller set and does really well, looks very nice, it's easy to style, and it's only for 6850 in the sale. Only for 6850 with these earrings. It's an amazing price, and please grab this price because this sale pricing is only for the weekend. Meanwhile, we have this heavy bridal set over here as well. You would have seen a lot of bridal pictures that we posted on our page having this product. It comes with this emerald, pota emerald in the center. It's only for 11,500 just for the sale pricing. It used to be a lot more before. It was around 15 with Tika, and now it's only for 11,550. And we have this Guttu Paslu over here. The Guttu Paslu is very pretty. It's a very contemporary one, not very traditional, and has great detailing again. It's in full polki without any color, and this again did very well on our website. You would have seen this. It's only for 13,450 it was, and now the pricing is almost 2,600 rupees less. It's only for 10,850 now. It's a great deal. And we have this choker set as well. It's called Dhara, and this one also used to be for 6850. Now it's only for 5850. It's a great pricing to begin with, and it comes with these big round Chandbali earrings and latkans. We also have this jhalar set in Jarao. You would have seen a lot of brides again wear this one. Comes with these Jarao jhumkas. It's a super wearable set again on a very good pricing. It's only for 8250 for the sale. It used to be 9650 before that. We have our Saranya 3-line set with emeralds and antique gold. Also on sale. A fabulous pricing on this as well. It's only for 10,850. It used to be 12,450. It comes with these earrings, and it's definitely someone who wants very dramatic, different look, yet wants to be subtle. This is a must-have set. We have this antique set as well in Victorian with emerald beads. Comes with these earrings. This is only for 5,950, guys. This set, a heavy, super heavy, big set, only for 5,950. Moving on, we have the semi-precious set. It's with real Navratna gemstones. You look at the detailing on it, looks like next to real. This is only for 15,450 on sale. It comes with these stunning earrings, and it's a must-have in case you want something which looks designer and close to real. We have this set over here. It's an antique set again with blue beads. It used to be 10,450. It's only for 8,950 now, and it comes with this blue earring right here. It's a super wearable set and looks very nice when wear. Antique emerald set comes with these earrings, and this is again very wearable, very stylish, very different in terms of the shape and design of it. And this one is only for 9,350. It used to be the higher price before that. We have this single line emerald set as well with polkis and antique gold. It comes with these tiny earrings for someone who likes something very minimalistic and simple to wear on a suit or a sari. It's only for 5,450. To be with these very impressive studs, and this one is for 12,000. It used to be 13,450, so almost a 1,500 difference. Going forward, we have our Jarao sets. Now, Jarao gets a lot of popularity, and we never go on sale with Jarao, but we decided to do it for the first time today. This one's only for 3,650, and it comes with these very pretty studs in Navratna. The studs themselves it is a super wearable piece. Anything you're liking, guys, please do take screenshots of it so we can guide you. I'm gonna take another 2 minutes of yours and show you all the remaining sets which are on sale. This is one of our bestseller gold sets. The Sone Pe Suhaga collection is doing very well, and we thought one piece at least we should have from Sone Pe Suhaga. It comes with these jhumkas. And it is only for around 3950. It's a super pretty set. Moving forward, we have this pendant right here in Navratna, in multi, and comes with these kharbuja beads and a very simple, easy to wear pendant. It used to be 2150 and now it is some 1750. Going forward, we have these chokers right here. It's a blend of pearl, polki and blue, and we have other colors in this as well. It comes with these earrings, if you can see them, sorry about the light. And this one's also for 5250 in the sale. It used to be 5850 before that. Moving on, I have this choker set with these earrings. It's a full pearl choker set. The beads can be changed to any color you want, and the pricing again is only for 3650. It used to be 4850. Also, this one has received a lot of love from you guys. It's a jhalar art style polki choker set. Comes with these chanbalis. Again, the price is unbelievable. It's unreal, and the piece is so pretty by itself. Sorry about that. This is only for 5650 after the sale, and it used to be 68 before that, 62 before that. Going forward, we have this 3-line polki empress necklace. It's a stunning piece and very Indo-Western. It's for 3650 in sale. Comes with these earrings. And moving on is our famous Ubeda. The Ubeda choker set is something all our customers who have been regular with us have definitely bought at some point. This is in purple, the Ubeda, which is on sale. It's only for 3650 on sale. It used to be 4850. So it's unbelievable pricing. And it comes with these purple earrings right here. It's a super pretty one. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us today for these 20 minutes of the sale. I am also wearing one of the sale pieces, if you can see. This is on our website as well. It comes with these studs. This is for 3250 in sale. It used to be at 5450, and it's an Indo-Western piece, if you can see. So this is also one of the sale prices, sale pieces, and I forgot to show it to you.